Alright, so hi, this is Morris Rosenthal for IfItJams.com. I've got my new battery connector here. I've opened it up all the way, or almost all the way, so you can see that there's plenty of room for our conductors. I'm going to put my smaller ground, the one that just runs out to the body here, on the top. There's no real reason for that, I guess. I'd just be a little more comfortable having the main conductor for the engine ground in the starter back in the connector, and I'm trying to do this without losing any of the conductors if I can, which, you know, a little more particular probably than I need to be. Alright, so we got those pushed in, and let's see how they're seated. Alright, they're right up to the end of the cavity that's in the casting here for the battery connector. So all that's really left is to tighten this up. While making sure the conductors don't creep back out of the cavity. Yep, we're still seated in there good. Alrighty. Yeah, tighten it up a bit now, and I'll give it another tighten once it's on the battery terminal. I have a better surface. So we're still up there all the way. And now to finish it off, I'm just going to put some tape on there. It's not really necessary for electrical insulation. This is a ground after all. But help keep the elements away from the conductors. Make it look a little more professional. And there we go.